Hello and welcome to Bike Update, your go-to channel for everything related to motorcycles. If you're passionate about bikes or just looking for tips and tricks, you're in the right place. We bring you a wide range of videos covering various aspects of bike ownership. From riding tutorials for beginners to advanced riders, we'll help you master the art of safe and efficient riding. If you're someone who loves to get the most out of your bike's performance, our fuel management tips will ensure you're riding smarter, not harder. Learn how to optimize your bike's fuel consumption, save money, and keep your engine running efficiently. At Bike Update, we also dive deep into the world of engine maintenance, offering expert advice on how to take care of your bike's heart, its engine. From oil changes to troubleshooting common engine problems, we've got you covered. Our channel isn't just about learning, it's about staying updated. Whether it's the latest in bike technology, new modifications, or trends in the biking world, we've got it all. If you're looking for in-depth bike content and want to stay ahead of the curve, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, the road is yours to ride.